Go to your favorite browser and search for Explorer Patcher. Open the GitHub link. In GitHub link, click on Releases. Scroll down. Come to Assist section. Here, click on epsetup.exe. And here we can see the file is now downloading. Once downloaded, open the installer. Click on Yes. And that's it. You have successfully installed Explorer Patcher on your computer. Now, all you have to need to make your taskbar a classic taskbar, right click on your taskbar, click on Properties, and here select Taskbar, and taskbar style, click this drop down, choose Windows 10. And now click on Restart File Explorer. And as you can see, my taskbar successfully converted to a classic taskbar. Now you can customize your taskbar from here. You can change your start button style. You can change your search option. You can change your secondary taskbar, primary taskbar. So this is how you can actually do it. Thanks for watching.